Air conditioning and refrigeration are essential to modern life, but society takes these amenities for granted. Human comfort, food preservation, transportation, and manufacturing all depend on refrigerants. However, current refrigerants have a large environmental impact. Over 90% of refrigerants leak into the atmosphere and are difficult to track. The global warming potential of hydrofluorocarbons is 2,000 to 4,000 times higher than carbon dioxide, and hydrofluorocarbons account for 8% of greenhouse gas emissions. As an example, the air conditioning unit outside a typical home in the United States contains about 5 to 10 pounds of refrigerant. If that refrigerant escapes, the global warming impact is equivalent to the CO2 emitted by driving a car for 1 year. Depending on the time of year, air conditioning and refrigeration consume 20 to 30% of the electricity produced in the United States. And the use of air conditioning extends beyond simply cooling. Refrigerants are also used in heat pumps. As society moves to a more electrified economy and fossil-fired heaters are retired, the number of heat pumps will dramatically increase, with projections showing a 400% increase by 2030. Meanwhile, by 2050, the number of air conditioners is projected to increase globally from 2 billion to 5 billion. That's 5 new air conditioners sold every second for the next 20 years. This growing demand for air conditioning and refrigeration is a crucial blind spot in today's energy debate. By taking quick action, there is a tremendous opportunity to develop new, more energy-efficient cooling and heating cycles to lower these environmental impacts. And this is where the environmentally applied refrigerant technology hub, known as EARTH, comes in. One integrated center to address this critical societal challenge. An Earth-inspired future has the potential to transform the status quo and create a circular refrigerant economy where refrigerants are recycled or repurposed rather than vented to the atmosphere or incinerated. EARTH will provide a better understanding of what happens to refrigerants once they're released into the atmosphere, which will help ensure refrigerants are environmentally safe. EARTH will develop new sensors and self-healing additives designed to reduce leaks in systems. EARTH research will reduce costs and increase efficiency of air conditioners and heat pumps across the globe. The development of these technologies has the potential to create more than 150,000 new and diverse jobs in the United States to meet the AIM Act's goals. And the U.S. will solidify its position as the technology and export leader of a $1 trillion HVACR industry. EARTH is headquartered at the University of Kansas and has 5 core partners: University of Notre Dame, University of Maryland, University of Hawaii, University of South Dakota, and Lehigh University. Together, this represents 3 EPSCoR states and a minority-serving institution. EARTH brings together expertise across 16 disciplines. EARTH research focuses on 3 primary thrusts: develop technologies and processes to recover, separate, recycle, and upgrade legacy refrigerants, which prevents their ultimate release into the atmosphere. Strive to discover new refrigerants and cooling technologies, including solid-state cooling. Improve energy efficiency to manage future increases in energy consumption based on global population growth. Beyond EARTH's strengths in these convergent research thrusts are 2 other key areas that aid in the center's success: the breadth of center's industry and community college partnerships, and the diversity of people involved. The Engineering Workforce Development Initiative at EARTH takes an approach toward program development that heavily emphasizes collaboration with industry partners and stakeholders. As industry partners, community colleges, and technical schools were recruited, EARTH Center leaders engaged these partners in proactive discussions about the pressing needs of the industry. These talks highlighted key challenges faced by industry that include an aging workforce, a deficient talent pipeline, and a notable lack of diversity. Earth has programs designed to meet each of these challenges. Another key driver of the Earth Center is diversity, equity, and inclusion, which is embedded in the fabric of Earth. Each member has a responsibility to uphold DCI goals, which are to foster inclusion, so all members and partners have psychological safety and a sense of belonging, share best practices and provide resources, promote accountability, retain representation on the team, attract, recruit, retain, and grow a diverse team into the future to better tackle this societal challenge. It's evident that cooling and refrigeration are essential to modern life, and the HVACR industry is critical to the United States economy. Across the world, society faces a profound climate crisis. The challenges are immense, but so are the opportunities. By developing a sustainable, circular refrigerant life cycle, Earth stands ready to lead society to a brighter future.